Hi guys, it's me. How you doing? Tonight I just want to share a little drama that I had today. Don't look at the drama behind me because that's a whole nother episode. But tonight I came home and my lock didn't work. So I headed over to Jerry's. First I got on the phone with a friend of mine. I said, how the heck? Because I had trouble taking the doorknob off. And a friend said, oh my God, you got one of those. It's a really hard one. He said, but let me explain it to you. And so finally... after explaining it to me and not being able to figure it out, I grabbed a hammer and I figured it out. The hard way, right? The hammer way. So anyway, so stay tuned and you'll see that I went to Jerry's. I got a lock. I came back and I put it on. And so this might be something that I share with you from now on. My way to bring out the girl can of, you know, what else. And so, yeah, so... Anyway, so after that, then I had dinner and a glass of wine, and that's why I'm a little peachy right now, you know. So enjoy the video. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. And this was busted. Like, I could not unlock the door into my garage. It wouldn't unlock no matter what I did. So I fought with it. An hour later, I finally got this thing off. It's in a bag. I am heading over to Jerry's, which is right there, to pick up a new lock. So you guys, I called a locksmith. He wanted like $60 to fix it and another however much to replace it. And I was like, nope. So, I mean, it took me forever to get this thing off, but I did, and a couple broken nails later. But we're gonna head over here to Jerry's and see if I can get my own little replacement lock. And for the price of $12.50-ish. That's gonna fix my door. I think that beats buying it from somebody for having at least $100. So I'm pretty proud of myself. That's Jerry's. That's here in Eugene. Everybody goes to Jerry's. It's kind of like a DIY. So anyway, let's go home and see if I can get this thing working. I'll be happy if I can. Hey, girls rule, boys drool. Look at that. It locks and everything. I just saved myself almost $100. I'm so proud of myself right now. I mean, it's not perfect because it's not a perfect fit, and it doesn't quite match, but that's the best I could do. And this goes out to the garage, so I don't care. Yay me! Woohoo! Girl power!